Etsy news. Important certain Etsy updates in Etsy shop on the 1st April 2026. It's, guys, so much important. Read together. With you, Svetlana Prokhorivska, Etsy shop YouTube channel How to Sell Crafts. And number one update is update about new section settings your shop. It's new. It's about how to help you to improve your Etsy shop. It's easy to work and it's really good for us, for Etsy sellers. Next, new Etsy listing form. Guys, it's a listing form like this. Etsy changed some blocks. Photo first, category second. Don't worry about this. Etsy delayed materials, and this it's new about your Etsy listing. Be careful when you add new Etsy listing. Look on this. Next update, smarter order management in Etsy seller app. Etsy seller app is changing, and what's new, improved filters and sorting, buyer order history, gift marking. It's much more easy on Etsy, and so much important for us. It's quick refunds and cancellation in messages. In Etsy messages, you could make quick refunds in Etsy messages. Next, clear billing and payment management. It's much more easy to look. It's much more maybe convenient for Etsy sellers. So much important, stable listing URLs for better discovery. New link from some platforms to Etsy. It's so much important. When it's updated, you could lose something, your sales on Etsy, but with time, your sales will be better. It's so much important for search engines like Google, for new search engine like AI. It's so much important, stable listing links for better discovery. Guys, be careful with it. Next update, pricing transparency for United Kingdom buyers. It's much more convenient, so for them it's much more easy. Next update, review rating calculation. It's so much important to promoting on Etsy marketplace. Now rating reflect on your full history on Etsy, not only 3 months, not only 3 last months, and customers will see this rating of full history on Etsy, in your Etsy shop, in your Etsy listing when buying your items. Next, improvement in the community hub for Etsy sellers. Next important update, more ways to get discovered with AI shopping. It's so much important for us. Buyers in the United States can now discover and purchase Etsy items with AI platform, ChatGPT, Gemini, AI mode in Google search, and Microsoft Copilot. It's much more important, this update. It's helps sell Etsy sellers in AI platform. It's great, guys. Next important, new in Marketplace Insights. Discover your keywords in Marketplace Insights, and now you could save up 50 searches to easily revisit and monitor keywords over time. It's so much important. Use Marketplace Insights if you have any questions. How discover, how to find keywords in Marketplace Insights, right under this video. And what's next? Target offer performance at glance. Much more easy, performance metrics, much more easy, much more convenient for Etsy sellers. Next, a smoother checkout experience. It's so much important for our customers. We improved checkout experience to make it easy for buyers to complete their purchases. Buyer payment options, United Kingdom and guest buyers can now use Apple Pay directly from listing pages. It's mean much more sales on your on Etsy and in your Etsy shop. And what's next? That's all, guys. If you have any questions about Etsy updates, Etsy news, write under this video. If you need help with Etsy, write your question under this video. Skyrocket your Etsy sales this spring. Check out your Etsy SEO due to my eBooks, Etsy SEO 2026 and checklist, sale now and 95 mistakes on Etsy. Check out your Etsy shop right now. Improve your Etsy shop, improve your sales. Sale now for set 60% off. Add your questions under this video. With you, Svetlana Prokhorivska, Etsy shop YouTube channel, How to Sell Crafts.